Today we're baking a soft and fluffy sandwich loaf bread, which I've never tried before. This is another bread baking video, but this time it's not a German bread. I don't know what it is, where it's from, but it's a sandwich bread. I will try to make sandwiches out of it, or just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We'll see if it works afterwards. I found this recipe on Facebook in one of the groups. I'm on Facebook and I thought, okay, cool, I want to try a sandwich bread. I've never done it, I want to try it, I want to see what it tastes like, and you will be with me trying it the first time. So let's just start and try it. All the ingredients are listed below in the description, and I will lead you through what I've done, what the process looks like. In the meantime, we have to wait for 90 minutes now. What about Tobi's house latte in between? Or if you don't want to wait too long, I'll fast forward, but do me a favor, subscribe and like the video. It helps me and also helps pushing out the videos. Let's continue. Do me a favor, subscribe and like the video. It helps me and also helps pushing out the videos. Guys, I'm truly impressed. This is good. This is a really good sandwich bread. I'll give it a try. Amazing. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.